Hey YouTube, how we doing today? Well, it's time. It's time to have a repeat on the channel. We liked what we brought to the channel the very first time from this company. I thought I'd dip right back in the well. That's right. Excuse me. Well, as you can see by that title you clicked on, Whiskey Ink and Lace is back in the shop. This time, the Viking brand. So stay tuned after we roll that intro, and we're going to tell you what we think about this guy. Alrighty, YouTube, thank you so much for staying past that intro. Now, sorry as I readjust something, I know you really don't want to see my freaking hand. If you're curious, I should say not if you're curious, but I'll get to that in a moment. Retake, but I'm not going to reshoot this because I want you guys to laugh at my misfortunes because it makes it real, you know? For you guys who haven't subscribed to the channel yet, look down here. I believe it's going to be down there. There's going to be a little channel watermark popping up. Go ahead and hover over that thing, man. It should bring you right to subscribe. Now, up top here, somewhere up top, we're going to leave a link to all the beard products we've already taken a look at. The very first one we brought to the channel was one by Whiskey Ink and Lace. I liked them so much for what they did, I went back and I got another one from them called, well, as you saw, the Viking. Now, what got me was, well, just the name, all right? They say it's got a scent of like oak moss, pine, leather, and, you know, a hint of citrus. Okay, well, pine, leather, oaky feeling. Okay, well, let's go get it, you know? It's got like a medium scent strength, and what I usually do when I get them, you know, you just shake the crap out of them for a little bit to make sure everything remixes up, because you never know how oils settle and the, you know, essential oil stuff settles. Now, like I showed you in other ones, comes with a dropper, which I like. And I usually smell it. And to be honest, I smelt a lot of woods. Seriously, when I smelt that, it smelt like you're out in the woods. And for you people who've been out there for a while, you know what I'm talking about. For those who haven't, go out there. It's going to have its own scent, smell. It's going to have its own, you know, whatever. Guys, if you haven't used beard oil before, it's very simple. The oil so much is not for your beard, it's for the skin underneath. Basically, you take your dropper, squeeze them out in there, put it in your hands, rub it together, and massage it into your skin. Once your beard gets out to a certain length, your body can't produce enough oil to help keep, you know, it healthy and keep it going. The other part I love about beard oil is it leaves that scent profile behind, so you're putting something on that's helping grow your beard and making you smell good. Now, one of the things I mentioned about this company before, it is female owned. So if you're going to want to buy beard oil, why not buy it from women? Because let's get honest, guys. And I know I just screwed that up, but still, I'll explain why in a second. Let's get honest here. We wear this not so much for ourselves, but we wear it for our better half. Whether you're into guys or girls, it doesn't matter. So that's what you're wearing it for, is to make them go, wow, you smell really, really, really good. Now, there we go. I don't know if you can see that too well, but there's like some of the ingredients, and there's the other side of the bottle. Okay. I like the fact that they use all natural products. Okay. Things like jojoba oil, avocado oil, coconut oil, argan oil, and sorry, as I'm checking notes here, and as they put it, they're essential oil blends. Blend in order to give it, you know, that great scent profile. As far as I'm aware, they're based out of Nashville, but they have 2 shipping centers, one in Seattle and one in Nashville. So that's kind of cool. All right. I love the fact on their website they brag about their easy return policy, 30-day money back guarantee, and they get it out fast shipments. Now, on their website, this is going to run you $19.75 for a 1 ounce bottle. That's a bit higher on an area where I'm usually comfortable paying. Normally I pay between 10 and 15 for 1 ounces. That's just me. All right. Over on Amazon, same thing is going to run you $21.99. Now, what I like is it seems like they're very popular, right? On their web store, they've got 135 reviews, and they're all 4 and 5 stars, all of them, on this product. All right. On Amazon, this one, I should say with this color label, because they're coming out with black labels now, I believe, it's got 1 review, and it's got 5 out of 5 stars. But guys, that's my very quick look at it. You know, just me talking about it, because I like what they're doing. I like their products. You know, I haven't had any, irregularities or ill reactions or just weird crap happen when I wear it. It took me a little bit to get used to the smell, because it's really weird that you really wouldn't think citrus, leather, pine, and oak moss would go together, but it's got a good smell. It really truly does. Now, with that being said, if any of you have used Whiskey Ink and Lace before, I want to know what you think, man. Leave your questions, comments, love, hatred, all that good stuff down below. Everybody, man, do the same thing. I want to know what you're thinking. You know, it's a great product. I wholeheartedly say yes, I like it. You know, I wouldn't bring it to the channel just to bash it. Everything I brought to the channel, I use. So, with those being out there, if you're a first-time viewer of the channel, I know this one's a little weird one. All right, I get it. All right, talking about beard oil, talking about putting scent into your beard and helping you get a healthier beard is a little weird. But that's okay. I just want to thank you from the bottom of my heart for watching this video. I like I said, I know it's strange, but there's many options out there, and I'm very flattered you chose one of mine. Now, for you longtime viewers of the channel who have yet to subscribe, here is your second chance at redemption. Look down there. Look right down there. Should be a big channel logo popping up. All right, click on that thing, man. It's going to bring you right to subscribe. After you've subscribed, please destroy the bell icon that's right next to it. Why? Very good question. Because it's going to notify you every single time my dumbass uploads a video. Now, with that being said, speaking of videos, 2 are going to pop up either on that side of the screen or that side of the screen. Those are going to be videos that YouTube is going to select from my catalog that they think are going to be a great viewing experience for you. But there we go, guys. My very brief, hopefully, look at the Viking Beard Oil by Whiskey Ink and Lace. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have a beautiful rest of your day.